Hello guys, and welcome to Quiver Design. In today's tutorial, I will be discussing on how to design this center tool. As you can see from the design, the center tool has an irregular shape. So we'll be discussing on how to go about the design. Stay tuned. Select the Create Sketch menu. Select the bottom plane or the ZS plane. Select the circle tool and draw a diameter of 50 mm from the origin. Press enter. Let's zoom in to have a clear view of our sketch. Select the midpoint line so as to divide the circle from the horizontal axis. Always press escape key to drop to. Select create drop down menu and select the 3-point arc to draw an arc from the horizontal line. Select this first point, select the second by giving this gap, then extend the radius of the arc and select the third point. Select the dimension tool and select the second point of the arc and the midline point and give it a distance of 3 mm. Select the tangent tool from the constraint menu and select the arc and the circle to constrain it. Return to isometric view and finish sketch. Select the surface menu and select the surface extrude tool. Select the arc and deselect chaining to only select the arc. Extrude to a distance of 30 mm. Select thickening from the create menu, give it a thickness of 4 mm. Select the solid menu and select the fillet tool from modify menu. Select these two edges and give it a fillet of 11 mm. Select create sketch and select the top of the profile. Select create, project and project to surface. Select the face of the body. Select these two edges as curves. Press OK when the edges are selected properly, then finish sketch. Select the pipe tool and select the outer edge of the body. Change operation to new body because we are not going to be needing the parent body. Or you can as well go ahead and delete the parent body. Hide the parent body. Select sketch drop down menu and make sketch visible. Select pattern tool, circular pattern. Select the object and select the sketched circle as axis. Increase the quantity to 4 and press enter. Select create sketch and select the ZS plane or the bottom plane. Draw a circle of 70 mm and another circle of 60 mm from the origin. Two ways of drawing the circle. You can either offset the circle, one of the circles, or you can simply draw the two of them simultaneously. Draw a midpoint line starting from the origin of the circle. Select 3-point arc to help create a gear-like shape from the top of the circle. Select mirror tool to mirror the sketch to the other side of the line. Go ahead to dimension the arc. Select circular pattern to pattern the arc around the circle. Select both arc. Quantity of pattern 27. Center point, you can select any of the circles. Select the 60 mm circle and delete it to have freedom to be able to select the profiles. Switch back to isometric view. Finish sketch. Extrude the profile to a distance of 4 mm by offsetting it to a distance of 1.6 mm. Hide the sketch so as to see the objects clearly. Add appearance by pressing letter A on your keyboard and select wood color to make a choice of color from the wood color menu. To add more design, create sketch on top of the table and draw a circle of 58 mm. Finish sketch and extrude to a distance of 2 mm. Operation join. Add fillet of 2 mm from the modify menu. In my next video, I will be discussing on how to draw bolts and nuts. For now, I will be giving a little sketch or a small design on how the bolt and nut fits into the current design that we are working on. Thank you very much, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss out in any of the videos that we'll be posting. Thank you.